Hello cadets, I'm Captain Weikle, and today we're going to talk a little bit about how to figure out how many paces it takes you to do 100 meters. In other words, walk 100 meters. Very important part of navigation, especially when you're marching on a compass bearing. So we need to know how many paces, again, or steps, it's going to take us to go 100 meters. Now we have measured out using a tape measure 100 meters, and if you look down the road, you'll see some orange flagging tape that shows us from where I'm standing makes 100 meters. So what you do, a pace is every other step. So you start on your right foot, then you go to your on your left foot, right foot, left foot. That's one pace. All right, so we're going to show you what an actual pace looks like. So it's every time your left foot hits the ground is one pace. So I'm going to start with my right foot, and what you do in order to get your average pace is you just walk normally, just like you normally would walk. So I'm going to start out. 1, 2, 3, and you just continue on, and you count in your head in a straight line for the 100 meters. 84, 85, 86, 87. So my first go around to do 100 meters, it took me 87 paces, trying to walk like I normally would. If you notice, the ground is fairly flat, no obstructions, not going uphill. We are doing a bit of a curve, but this is the flattest, most debris-free area we could find. And what you do is you walk that 3 times, and you count your paces each time, write it down, and then you divide it by 3, and that's your average pace in ideal conditions. As you can see, we aren't in rain, we aren't in snow, so we don't have to fight those elements. It's relatively nice out today. We aren't carrying a rucksack, a 50-pound rucksack on our back, or a 25-kilo rucksack on our back. We're not going uphill. We're not crossing over things. We're not going downhill. This is simply on the straight. And what we're looking for is what our average pace would be in order to go 100 meters. As well, we're not going through the bush, so we're not fighting things that way. Again, what we need is our average under ideal conditions, what our pace would be. And this is going to be part of when we move on to learn how to march on a compass bearing.